Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get YouTube credentials for n8n. Alright, so let's begin. Now to do this, open a new tab and search for Google Cloud Console. Then select the first option from the search results and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Inside the console, create a new project or select an existing one. Simply click on Select Project, then choose Create New Project. Enter any name you want for your project, and once you're done, click on Create Project. After your project is successfully created, you can select your project from here or go back to Select Project again, and this time just select the project you've created to continue. Once your project is selected, go to these three lines menu and then go to APIs and Services. Then select Enable APIs and Services. Once you are here, go to the left menu and open the OAuth consent screen and configure it. Simply click on Get Started and then just put all of the required info such as your name and email address. After that, click on this Create OAuth Client Credentials and you will be on this page. Here, first choose Web Application as the type. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find the Authorized Redirect URI option. Simply click on it. Now, go back to n8n and copy the redirect URL provided. Paste that into the Authorized Redirect URIs section in the Google Cloud Setup. Once done, create the credentials and wait for a bit. Now, copy the client ID and then go back and paste this back into n8n. Now, for the client secret, what you need to do is go back to the Google console. Once you're there, open your client which you just created, and on the right side, you'll find the client secret. Go ahead and copy it, then return to n8n and paste it into the required field. After pasting it, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Before signing in, make sure to add your email as a test user in the OAuth consent screen settings. To do this, go back to the Google Cloud Console and from the left-hand menu, click on the Audience tab. Here, you'll find an Add User option under Test User tab. Click on it, then enter the email address you used to sign up for your n8n account. Once you've added your email, simply click on the Save button to apply the changes. Then return to n8n, sign in with your Google account and grant all permissions. You might see a Not Verified warning. Just proceed if everything looks correct once your account is connected. Finally, go back to the Google Cloud Console and search for YouTube here. You will see many search results, but select YouTube Data API option. Here, just enable the YouTube Data API. This step is important because it allows n8n to actually interact with your YouTube account. Once everything is set up, head back to n8n and you'll see that your account is connected. Now you can automate tasks like creating playlists, uploading videos, or managing your channel directly through your workflow. And that's it. This is how you can get YouTube credentials for n8n. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.